Right, weather now. And Lily, we could be talking about the sun, but let's talk about the blustery weather we've had and a little bit of rain, because it's been quite dramatic out there.
Yeah, today it has been especially on the breezy side, and we had some quite strong wind gusts as well, reaching 47 miles per hour in places. So there was an orange wind warning in place, and that's a gale force at times over the seas, more like a force 6 to force 7 for us on land. It's going to be staying quite breezy through tomorrow, but not quite as strong as we've had today. We've had ferries cancelled due to the windy conditions as well.
And today, Lily, summer feels like a lifetime ago, but the stats are now in. What can you tell us?
Yeah, so Jersey Met have been going through all the stats, and sort of what we expected, dry, sunny and warm is the main theme. So starting with August in detail, temperatures were about a degree above the average, and we had a lot of sunlight. Guernsey only had 30% of what we'd normally expect in terms of rainfall totals, and for Jersey it was less than half. So it really was very dry, and as well as that, most of that rain fell in the last few days. So a lot of the month we had barely any rain at all. Then taking a look at summer as a whole, it was also on the warm side. The second one, we had dry and sunny conditions, so good for the beachgoers, quite dry for some of the farmers.
Let's end on the here and now. Looking forward to seeing some dramatic pictures of today.
Yeah, we've had some really interesting cloud pictures from the last few days, really, because of the showers we've had passing through. And I want to share this video with you now. Take a look at this time. Well, we have had some blustery conditions today, as well as a few heavy downpours, so not the most pleasant of weather to be outside. Temperatures haven't been too bad, though, around average, and we've got more of the same conditions to come as we head into tomorrow. And overnight, meaning scattered showers, there could be some heavier bursts, and there could well be some rumbles of thunder as well. Still feeling fairly breezy tomorrow, but the winds not quite as strong as they have been today. Then as we head towards the end of the week, so Friday and into Saturday, things briefly getting more settled as high pressure moves in. So calmer winds, more in the way of brightness. It will feel quite pleasant in that sunshine. It's only for a few days though before low pressure moves in again, turning unsettled towards the end of the weekend and next week. Back to you tonight though, starting off with clear periods, then this cloud is going to start moving in, bringing with it some scattered showers at first, those turning into a more prolonged downpour with some heavier bursts really after midnight, and that's when we could have some rumbles of thunder as well. Still fairly breezy tonight, the winds fresh force 5 to strong force 6 with minimum temperatures in the mid-teens. So there's showers lingering around tomorrow first thing, a bit of a wet start to the day. There could be some heavy downpours. They'll become more scattered as we head through the morning, and actually some drier and some brighter interludes in the afternoon. It is going to be breezy. The wind's moderate force 4 to fresh force 5, maybe touching on a force 6. That's coming in from that westerly direction, but not quite as strong as we've had today, and maximum temperatures of 20 degrees. Let's check our tide times then, between 4:30 and 5:30 in the morning, later on between 5 and 6 p.m. with the sea temperature at 18.6 degrees Celsius. So as we move through the week, that low pressure system that's giving us the wet weather tomorrow heading away, and what's replacing it is an area of high pressure. So we can see that reflected on our outlook here. Rather unsettled tomorrow, but some bright, fine and calmer days to come Friday through Saturday.